Every premium bone china product begins with carefully collected animal bones. Only clean food processing bones are approved for recycling. Each batch is inspected before transport. Only approved bones continue to the recycling factory.
Refrigerated transport preserves hygiene during delivery. The journey to the bone china factory begins.
The collected bones arrive at a specialized bone china manufacturing facility. Every shipment follows strict industrial standards.
Every delivery is weighed and digitally recorded. Traceability begins at the factory entrance.
The raw material enters the first processing stage. Every container remains sealed until inspection. Each batch undergoes detailed visual inspection. Only clean bone material moves forward. Even the smallest contamination is removed. Purity is essential for premium bone china. Industrial washing removes grease and remaining residue. The bones are thoroughly cleaned before heat treatment. Moisture is carefully removed before calcination. Dry bones are now ready for the bone ash production stage. Dry bones now enter the most critical stage of bone china manufacturing. Extreme heat transforms organic bone into pure white bone ash. Organic material is completely removed during calcination. The remaining mineral becomes premium bone china bone ash.
The recycled bones have now become pure bone ash. This valuable material gives bone china its famous strength.
Industrial milling creates an ultra-fine ceramic powder. Particle size directly affects bone china quality. Every batch is tested for precise particle size. Only uniform powder continues to production. Bone ash is blended with premium ceramic minerals. Precise ratios ensure world-class bone china. The ceramic ingredients become a smooth, liquid body. This slurry forms the foundation of every bone china product. Filtration removes microscopic impurities. Vacuum processing eliminates trapped air.
The refined slurry is now shaped into future dinnerware. Slip casting creates precise ceramic forms. The plaster mold removes moisture naturally. A strong bone china body slowly takes shape.
The ceramic body has formed inside the mold. Each delicate piece is carefully removed for drying.
Controlled drying prevents cracks and warping. Moisture leaves the ceramic body gradually.
Every edge is carefully refined by hand. Small imperfections are removed before firing.
Precision measurements ensure perfect consistency. Only approved products continue forward.
Each product is positioned for uniform heating. The first firing process is about to begin.
The first firing permanently hardens the ceramic body. Extreme heat creates exceptional strength. The first firing is complete. The ceramic is now strong enough for glazing. A uniform glaze creates the signature smooth finish. Unused glaze is collected and recycled.
The second firing permanently bonds the glaze. The famous bone china shine begins to appear.
The transformation into premium bone china is complete. Now every piece must pass strict quality inspection. Every bone china piece is inspected under precision lighting. Even microscopic surface defects are automatically detected. Each product must match exact design dimensions. Precision guarantees a perfect dinnerware set. A clear ringing tone confirms perfect ceramic integrity. Hidden cracks are detected without damaging the product. Defective products are responsibly recycled. Only flawless bone china reaches customers. Approved pieces move to the luxury finishing department. Every product is precisely positioned for decoration. Luxury ceramic decals are applied with precision. Every design is perfectly aligned. Premium collections receive genuine gold rim decoration. Every edge is coated with exceptional precision.
The final firing permanently bonds every decoration. luxury finishes become part of the ceramic surface.
The final appearance is carefully verified. Every premium detail must meet international quality standards. Individual pieces are assembled into complete luxury dinner sets. The journey now enters its final packaging stage.
Each bone china piece is protected before packaging. Soft separators prevent damage during transportation.
Every dinner set is packed inside a precision-designed box. Each package receives a unique tracking label.
Every package is weighed and verified. Only correctly packed dinner sets move forward. Palletizing prepares the products for safe transport. Protective wrapping secures every shipment.
The finished bone china is stored in a modern logistics warehouse. Digital inventory tracks every shipment.
Customer orders activate the shipping process. Selected pallets move directly to the loading docks. The finished bone china begins its journey around the world. Secure loading protects every shipment.
Distribution centers prepare products for final delivery. Each order is sorted for its destination. Premium bone china is trusted by luxury hospitality. Its strength and elegance make it ideal for professional dining. What began as carefully recycled animal bones has become premium bone china. From waste to world-class dinnerware, every step followed precision manufacturing. Bone china is valued for its elegant appearance. It is widely used in premium hotels around the world. The smooth glazed surface is perfect for everyday serving. Bone china combines elegance with durability.
Bone china is a preferred choice for formal dining events. Its refined finish enhances every table setting.
Premium bone china also becomes part of everyday family meals. Quality craftsmanship reaches homes around the world.
Every detail reflects precision manufacturing. The recycled bone ash now forms world-class ceramic.
Production never stops inside this modern manufacturing facility. New batches begin as finished products leave.
Every stage follows a precise industrial process. Quality is maintained from raw material to finished dinnerware.
Each finished set meets strict manufacturing standards. Only approved products reach customers.
From recycled raw material to global distribution, the journey continues beyond the factory.
What began as carefully recycled animal bones became premium bone china through precision manufacturing.